Hello everyone, you're watching Soumya and Vagmita and we're on.
Shut up!
We're talking, please यार, mind your business. हम्म, तो आज हम किस वाइब में हैं? आज हम काफी इंटरेस्टिंग एक वाइब लेके आए हैं.
तुम तो ट्रॉफी वाइफ की तरह तुम यहाँ से उठो और उस मैंटल पे बैठो.
You're looking very professional, very
आई लुक लाइक मैं अपने हस्बैंड को बेचने वाली डील करने आई हूँ. ये लीजिए 25 लाख रुपए और इसको लेके जाइए.
तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट समथिंग दैट्स वेरी पर्सनल टू अस. एक तरीके से इट्स लाइक मतलब हमारी सोल जर्नी कह सकते हैं.
आई थिंक इट ऑक्यूपाइज 90% ऑफ आवर माइंड.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है for as long as I was aware of my thoughts, I
Yes.
have been aware that I'm fat.
मुझे इतने कम उम्र में मोटी बोलना चालू हुआ था. एंड जस्ट बिकॉज आई वाज थिन बॉडी वाइज. लेकिन अगर
हाँ.
आपका चेहरा भी गोल है इस समाज में तो आप
हाँ.
मोटी महिला सदस्य की कमिटी की सदस्य
Healthy
हैं.
हो आप.
मुझे तो ऐसे मैं सामने पारस की दुकान पर जाती थी 2 रुपए का कुछ लेने के लिए. तो वहां पर जो चाचा वाचा नहीं खड़े होते, भैया वगैरह, अरे आ गई गोलू. एंड आई एम लाइक तुम्हारा तो खैर
तुम्हारा निकनेम क्या है?
मेरा नाम तुम्हारा नाम
तुम्हारा निकनेम क्या है? Is it गोलू?
तुम्हारा है ना गोलू.
तो
तो
मेरा गोलू नहीं है. गोलू नहीं है. गोलू इज अ लेवल बिलो फ्रॉम व्हाट आई एम. मतलब मेरा भी ऐसे एकदम हेल्प वाला ही निकनेम है कि गट टू पता है बच्चा चाट ट्रे में 4 ग्लासेस लेके आ रही है.
मेरा कोई निकनेम नहीं है. मेरे पेरेंट्स
यार कितनी झूठी हो सकती है.
पर मेरा कोई निकनेम नहीं है.
Okay.
इट इज माय बिगेस्ट कंप्लेन विद माय पेरेंट्स दैट ऑब्वियसली यू थॉट दैट पहला वाला माल ऐसे साइड का टेस्टर डिस्कार्डेड माल.
आई थिंक यू वुड बी अ वेरी चिक्की पर्सन.
आई कुड बी बट आई एम नॉट. इमेजिन मैं जानती हूँ किसी चिक्की को.
हाँ बट तुम काफी चिक्की हो. लाइक यू नो you have that.
Yeah, I know people with like really weird like names, nicknames like Mona and all also, which is like, what are you trying to do with your child?
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, so we are talking about our bodies and our relationship with our bodies, which are very complicated. And I think somewhere we have learned this, seeing at least like my sister and my mom were very big influences in my life. तो मैंने तो उनसे ही imbibe किया है. Like for as long as I was growing up, my mom has always been on some diet.
तुम्हारी मम्मी एटलीस्ट ट्राई तो करती है. मेरी मम्मी तो एफर्ट भी नहीं मारती यार.
यार यही तो होता है अपनी बॉडी के साथ कंफर्टेबल होना. किरण आंटी हैं.
हाँ ट्रू
बैडास लेडी हैं भाई.
आई थिंक हाँ मतलब हो भी सकता है क्योंकि शी इज अ मुंबई किड. सो वो मुंबई किड मैंने देखा है थोड़े नॉनशलांट होते हैं इन मामलों में.
Correct.
वो अंदर घुटते हैं लेकिन फेस पे नहीं आता या एफर्ट में नहीं दिखता.
तो व्हाट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम यू गॉट अवेयर ऑफ वेट गेन?
I think as a girl I got aware of weight gain because मैं बहुत ही मरल्ली सी बच्ची थी. we can put up a photo here. मेरे यहाँ से आंतड़े लिखती थी भाई. और वो इसलिए होता था क्योंकि मुझे स्कूल में ही ऑब्सेशन हो गया था पतले होने से.
हाँ.
Like the worst thing as a pre-teen girl you can be is fat in this society. लड़के नहीं जीने देते.
Were you in a co-ed school?
Yes.
I was in a girls' school. So thankfully till I was like 12 or 13, I had no understanding of being fat or being
हाँ तब
thin.
तक मुझे भी नहीं था. मतलब लड़कपन जैसे होता ना 12 से पहले वाला जो पार्ट होता है उसमें तो मुझे पता ही नहीं था मैं लड़की भी हूँ. मतलब मैं तो
हाँ जेंडर फ्लूइड थी मैं. I've grown up gender fluid.
या मेरे बाल कटे हुए थे और मुझे लगता था मैं लड़का हूँ. मुझे बहुत गंदा जेंडर डिस्मॉर्फिया था कि
wearing gender fluid clothes, playing with boys, behaving also
Like boys.
not even a boy, behaving like a child.
नहीं I तो it's behaving like a boy only because लड़कियों को मैंने बहुत सभ्य भी देखा था. पता है लड़कियां निकलती नहीं थी कितने कितने घरों की हमें पता नहीं होता. तो आवाज नहीं सुनी होती और मैं मोहल्ले में बचिन जल्दी बाहर निकलो. सिर्फ मेरी आवाज आती थी लड़कियों में से. मुझे तो 12वीं के बाद पता चला कि fuck. मैं लड़की
Yeah, I remember when I was around 11, I had an insane growth spurt because I went swimming. Okay.
Oh.
तो swimming से होता है ना, it is a thing that when you swim you suddenly like your height grows and my height grew and my appetite grew to the point where I still remember my brother and my sister were laughing at me because I had taken my 5th plate of biryani to eat. This was during a family holiday. And they were just like, what? तो उसके बाद तो आई रिमेंबर मतलब एक ऐसी जीन्स थी एज अ चाइल्ड देयर इज दिस वन जीन्स दैट यू वेयर एवरी डे बिकॉज इट्स योर फेवरेट पीस ऑफ क्लोथिंग. वन डे आई वोक अप एंड दैट जीन्स इज इतना गैप है और वो जीन्स बंद नहीं हो रही. तो मैं अपनी अलमारी में गई, मैंने एक मेरा फेवरेट टॉप पहना, वो टॉप मेरे यहाँ तक आ रहा है. एंड आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द फक इज दिस. तो मैंने उस जीन्स पे नाड़ा बांधा and I have tightened it like a corset and I have worn it because I just couldn't deal with the fact that how can I not fit into my favorite jeans. I think that was my first trauma.
You know, I'm
of
almost like I want to cry because I have been in that room in that jeans and it's the most traumatic experience because you can't talk to anybody about it.
Yeah.
मेरी मम्मी से मैं बात करूं तो वो खुद अपने स्ट्रगल से वेट स्ट्रगल से डील कर रही है.
Yeah.
मैं उनसे क्या उन्हीं को दे दे के मुझे पता चला है कि अच्छा वेट
Yeah.
गेन परेशान होने वाली बात होती है.
Yeah.
एंड मैं आज सुबह ऐसी स्कर्ट में थी वेयर आई वाज लाइक मेरा वेट बढ़ गया है फ्रॉम द लास्ट टाइम एंड मेरे से ये यहाँ पे स्कर्ट नहीं बंद हो रही है. एंड जब ये बचपन में मेरे साथ पहली बार हुआ था इट डिस्ट्रॉयड मी.
Yeah. That's
Crazy.
true. And kyunki sizing up is not a thing, right? Like I
No.
only realized this last year when I had put on a lot of weight. I remember I had stopped buying new clothes because I was punishing myself for putting on weight. I was like, I don't deserve nice things. I don't deserve to go out looking good. I will only be in these 4 clothes that I wear at home.
And that are like ढीले ढीले कपड़े.
ढीले कपड़े.
एक वाइट कलर का ढीला कुर्ता और
हाँ.
एक उससे भी ढीली जीन्स या फिर ट्राउजर.
And then a few months later, I was like, am I punishing myself for something I can't help? And then I went and I completely just like threw out all those clothes overnight. I got myself an entirely new wardrobe. And just as I started embracing my body at that time, I automatically started losing weight.
Yeah.
It's
I am going through that
crazy.
phase right now wherein I refused, like in the last 2 months, I've not bought any like jeans because I'm like, I've grown so fat right now that this is not the weight I'm comfortable with.
Yeah.
मैं इससे 10 किलो लाइटर थी लिटरली 6-7 महीने पहले हम मिले थे जब. एंड वन ऑफ दो स्कर्ट्स दैट आई बॉट 6-8 महीने पहले वो मुझे आज सुबह फिट नहीं आ रही थी. एंड मे बी आज से 5-6 साल पहले थिंग्स हैव गॉटन लिटिल बेटर. बट पहले तो ऐसा होता था कि मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी, मैं रोने लगती थी ऑलमोस्ट.
Yeah.
मैं ऐसे पता है सेंसरी ओवरलोड हो जाता था जहां पर मुझे ऐसा लगता था मेरी स्किन छीन लो, मुझे निकालो इस स्किन से.
Yeah.
एंड मैं इफ इट वाज फॉर मी, थैंक गॉड ह्यूमन बॉडी ऐसे वर्क नहीं करती. यू वुड फाइंड मी स्लिटिंग माय थ्रोट एंड लाइक टेकिंग दैट फैट आउट विद माय हैंड. उसके बाद जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
If someone has my voodoo doll, please थोड़ी stuffing हटा दो यहाँ से and give it a forehead kiss. तो but हाँ मतलब also this hits you harder suddenly when you put on weight as an adult. क्योंकि till I was in college I could digest anything. मैं तुम्हारी अपनी कॉलेज की डाइट बताती हूँ तुम्हें. 18 कप चाय, 18 कप, I'm not even like making it up. 18 कप चाय, नो पानी, ठीक है,
Yeah.
आइस बर्स्ट सिगरेट्स, एटलीस्ट अ पैक अ डे. क्योंकि कॉलेज में थी ना, सब कूल व्हाटएवर.
या
देन
और उससे और भूख नहीं लगती है.
हाँ, फिर सामने जो सैंडविच वाला था वहां से 2 सैंडविच खड़े 2 सैंडविच खा लिए.
और वो भी 6 में से 6 लोग लेते हैं.
हाँ, फिर एक पारसी बेकरी थी, वहां का शॉर्मा तो खाना ही पड़ेगा. अब फ्रेश बनाए तो खाना ही पड़ेगा ना. एक दिन मैं लड़ ली थी उनके कि आपके पास मेयोनीज कैसे नहीं है, मेयोनीज कैसे खत्म हो गया आपके. कि मेरी दुकान में तू चुप रहे. देन शाम को एक पराठे वाली आंटी होती थी, वो अपना छोटा सा एक बॉक्स टाइप कमरे के अंदर फ्रेश पराठे बनाती थी और हम इतने मंत्रमुग्ध होके खाते थे. एक बार पास में हाथापाई वाली लड़ाई वड़ाई हो गई लोगों की और हम सोच रहे हैं कि पराठे इनके ना खत्म हो जाए.
मुंबई में अच्छे पराठे मुझे नहीं लगता, बट ठीक है, आई बिलीव यू.
I'll put a picture here to show you what I looked like. I was skinny. And then one day, I woke up and I just started putting on weight for nothing. I drink water, I put on weight. I look at a burger, I put on weight. I do nothing, I put on weight.
तुम्हारी ये सिगरेट वाली बात सुन के ना मुझे ऐसे फ्लैशेस आने लग गए. मेरा
Flashbacks, old monk और ice burst.
गला सूख गया, मुंह एकदम सूख गया है और मुझे ऐसे एंजाइटी फील हो रही है पेट में, एग्जैक्टली जो फील होती थी तब. और मुझे ऐसा लगता था हंगर पैंग्स मुझे ऐसे लगते थे कि इतनी पनिशमेंट तो मैं डिजर्व ही करती हूँ ना कि मैं मोटी हुई कैसे. और मतलब वी आर नॉट फैट पीपल. सो इमेजिन कि हम मतलब इस बॉडी में जो कई लोगों की गोल वेट है कि चलो मतलब पीपल हु आर
Heavier boned.
ओवरवेट. यस.
And heavy boned also.
Yeah.
Their
People-
genetic structure is
Exactly.
like that.
Not bitches like us who say, "Oh my God, I've gotten so fat." But in your head, if you're fat, it doesn't matter you're 120 kgs, you're 80 kgs, or you're 60 kgs. It's a state of mind. It's not a state of body
करेक्ट.
as much.
और मुझे जितना लगता है, as long as I have grown up, I've always had a very unhealthy relationship with my body since I have become aware of it. मतलब मेरा ये होता है कि like you said relationship weight, right? तो I'm in a happy relationship right
Yeah.
now, and my body, I think, finally got comfortable to start showing the trauma I have collected.
Yeah.
And that is why it expanded, because when your body is in a state of fear, or when your body has gone through a state of shock, it reacts very differently to different things.
True.
If you had a surgery, if you have had an infection, if you've had a trauma, your body sometimes deals with that by retaining weight. Because
हाँ.
it thinks that it's going to go in a state of starvation. और भाई मेरी तो फैमिली हिस्ट्री भी अकाल पीड़ित लोगों की है, who have had to deal with like famine
Yeah.
and you know change of like rulership and stuff like
Yeah.
that, partition. So there is a lot of trauma there.
True,
And
true.
because if you have danger that you're not going to get food later, your body is going to be, your DNA knows how to store food.
या मैं पता है बीच बीच में ना कभी आजकल ऐसे लंच स्किप कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई एम बीइंग वेरी अनकाइंड टू माई सेल्फ कि हाउ डिड आई लेट माई सेल्फ गेट हियर नोइंग हाउ बैड इट फील्स टू बी हियर राइट सो इसमें मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है इट्स स्ट्रेस इट्स अडल्ट लाइफ की नई बॉडी आई एम ऑलमोस्ट नियरिंग 30 सो बॉडी का चेंज इतना मेजर है कि अब मुझे नहीं पता क्या होगा इसके साथ राइट माई बॉडी इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर मदरहुड इट्स नॉट गोना गेट सो आई एम जस्ट एंड मैंने उसमें से बीच में लंच स्किप करना कभी कभी स्टार्ट कर दिया नॉट
हाँ.
कभी भूख ही नहीं लगती कभी तो ऐसा होता है एंड मुझे कल मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड हु इज नेवर ever concerned with all of this, he's just like, this is madness, and he just goes to office after saying that. He was like, I've never said that, but it's maddening. You're going to get more fat because your body is storing fat when you're not eating it.
Yeah.
And I was like, नहीं कितने दिन स्टोर करेगी? He was like, that you said ना famine वाला चीज. He was like, famine में लोगों की body 100 दिन करती थी. तो you be prepared to look just as fat but not eating anything for 3 months.
Correct.
It scared me because I don't know what else to do.
या और मेरा फैट लॉस और फैट गेन जर्नी हमेशा ऐसी रही है. आई गेट कंफर्टेबल, आई गेट कंप्लेसेंट, और आई गेट डिप्रेस्ड, एंड देन आई बिंज ईट, एंड देन आई स्टोर अ लॉट ऑफ वेट, आई पुट ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ वेट,
Yeah.
and then a breakup has happened, or I'm going through a bad time, and then I will get into this thing कि मुझे तो fit बनना है, मुझे तो fit बनना ही है, and then I will excessively start dieting, excessively start working out, and that is how I'm going to lose my weight, which is out of shame or
Which
a
is- and
revenge
no
board.
strategy.
No strategy, nothing.
No good intent
हाँ,
behind it कि
correct.
मुझे
मतलब-
लाइफ में भागना है.
हाँ.
नहीं, बस
Yeah.
conventionally attractive लगना है.
Yeah.
And पता है, I have a theory for it कि whenever you're going through breakup and you lose a lot of weight, just look inside yourself. You're a person who cares deeply about looks and is obsessed with what people think of you because you don't think much of yourself, which is true for me. And जब आप ब्रेकअप करते हो तो आपको रियलाइज होता है कि नाउ यू हैव टू बी बैक ऑन डेटिंग मार्केट, यू हैव टू लुक कन्वेंशनली प्रिटी, तो आप अपने आप को स्टार्व करने के लिए तैयार हो टू बी ऑन दोज ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड्स.
Correct.
And when you're loved and when you're in a relationship, you know that a person loves you for you and it doesn't matter mostly how you look if you have a decent boyfriend. So that is why you gain weight. In your natural state of being, this is your perfect body. This is your ideal body if you're not overeating and everything.
Correct.
This is your ideal body. This is my ideal body if I don't eat anything. My dadi, my mom, everybody in my family at this age has looked like this.
Yeah.
I'm the only one trying to beat the odds.
And it's normal. Like certain areas where you put on weight are also according to your DNA.
Yeah.
You know, certain places where they store weight, there's a reason. And also our ancestors were farmers. वो भाई खेती करते थे दिन में 15-15 घंटे, हम नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली होगा ही ना, मतलब कंप्लेसेंट कहीं ना कहीं बॉडी में आएगी.
अब वो तो आई थिंक सबकी हो गई पिछले 75 साल में. आई थिंक सबका ही. एंड देयर इज नो रिसर्च और एनीथिंग इनटू. पहले तो यार ऐसा होता था कि आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते थे इफ यू वर ओवर वेट फॉर अ डाइट. वन ऑफ माई वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स, शी इज अ न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट. And she tells me that now everybody, even if you're 60 kgs, people want to lose weight. People at 70 want to be 60. And she's like, पहले मुझे 100 किलो 150 किलो पे लोग आते थे जिनको अपनी concern होता था early 2014-15 पे. And now it's everybody.
But you know, this reminds me of now the Ozempic pandemic that we're going through, where every single person you know is on Mounjaro or is on Ozempic. And Soumya told me this insane story. We're obviously not going to name the friend,
Yeah.
but Soumya's a friend of hers is on Manjaro, and she called the chemist who has just literally just gotten stock of Manjaro, and she's a type 1 diabetic. So
Yeah,
she's
she's
on it
one.
for a reason.
Yeah.
So she's called for it, and the man within an hour is like, madam, आपने last time call किया था, तब से तो stock खत्म हो गया है. Which means in her area where this medical is, at least 100 families are on Manjaro. That's crazy. This is a weight loss medicine for diabetics.
People,
And people are just injecting themselves in Manjaro. It's crazy.
you know, the worst thing about this entire thing is people who are actually needed, they don't get it. और इंडिया में तो
Yeah.
बहुत सस्ते में बिक रही है, एंड इंडिया में इट्स ओवर द काउंटर काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि वो
हाँ.
तुमको हल्का सा
You'd-
प्रिस्क्रिप्शन बस
हाँ.
पोस्ट प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लेना है उसके लिए,
Correct.
और इतने साइड इफेक्ट्स हैं उसके.
Correct.
Imagine a society that would starve its people, that would like put them in under drugs that are not even tested entirely for more than 2 years just to look a certain way. These people, they bitch about all these actresses for getting like fillers and all.
Correct. तुम भी तो वही कर रहे हो. That's what. We're not that
Exactly.
far apart.
Yeah, please.
But I read this somewhere that a close indicator of recession in society is that people start losing weight.
Yeah.
And also, it is a technique of very, very powerful people to subjugate women by getting them obsessed with weight loss. Because right now, if you see, everything is trending that is like about skinny women, skinny jeans are back in fashion, like certain
Slow waist
tops,
jeans.
low waist jeans, certain tops which show off your cleavage, which is only meant to be worn by
And the
skinny
side
people.
boob thing, you remember? I remember it started in like 4 or 5 years ago with that side boob thing, and I'm like,
Yeah.
you have no idea, this is such a skinny girl
Yeah,
thing.
and the fact that Ozempic and Manjaro sales are at an all-time high, it means that they want to make women skinny, because when women are skinny, they can't fight.
And they can't think because you're thinking about food all the time. I am. And मुझे ये सब पता है.
हाँ.
Imagine the brainwashing it takes that you are aware of these things and you are still doing it. Like, you know, मुझे याद है early 2000 में एक model, एक skinny model है, Kate Moss, and she said that nothing tastes as good as skinny feels. And अब it's plastered everywhere. Skinny is an outfit. Don't need to pick an outfit because skinny is an outfit.
Yeah.
And these things, these people propagate. और अब
Yeah.
इतना popular है ये सारी चीजें. And the worst part is I relate to it.
Yeah, and can we just quickly talk about this resurgence of like no sugar, no gluten, no dairy, no fat kind of diet, where restaurants are having menus which is catered to people who regularly like want to diet or they go to the gym. And personally, it pisses me off.
It does.
क्योंकि मैं अगर बाहर खाना खाने जा रही हूँ और किसी ने सैलेड ऑर्डर किया है तो मेरा दिन वहीं बर्बाद हो
अब
गया
मैं
है.
तेरे में से दो बाइट्स नहीं ले सकती तेरे
Exactly.
खाने से.
मैं बाहर क्यों आई हूँ? ये तो मैं घर पे भी खा सकती थी. घिया तुरई टिंडा तो मेरे घर पे भी बनता है. बस उस पे थोड़ी सीजनिंग लगा के तुम मुझे रेस्टोरेंट में दे रहे हो. It is pissing off. I get really
And
fucking
this
irritated.
distinction that has recently come up, keep good food and bad food. Like, you are judged if you don't have healthy food, you know.
Correct.
If you're not, it's like you're not having clean food.
Yeah.
Babe.
And they want to go to restaurants that only serve salads. I'm like, ये मैं फिर बाहर क्यों आई हूँ? It's like punishing myself by going out. What the
हम इस sushi में से चावल निकाल देंगे. मैं क्यों खाऊंगी ये?
तुमने कभी घेवर खाया है?
बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
और मुझे पता है ये लास्ट ईयर पता चला, जबकि घेवर हैज बिन लाइक अ थिंग कि कभी कभी मेरे घर में घेवर आता था और मैं पूरा घेवर खा जाती थी. ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ द डे आई वुड जस्ट ईट द एंटायर घेवर, which I thought was normal. And then someone recently asked me, what is a ghevar? So I was like, it's a Rajasthani sweet. Ab kya to? Then I looked at a video of how a ghevar is made. Soumya, that नीचे वाला जो डो
Yeah.
है वो घी है,
हाँ.
जो चाशनी है उसमें वो भी घी है और शुगर है, और जिसमें वो तला है वो भी घी है.
हाँ.
तो घेवर
It's just
is
ghee.
just ghee in different forms. And I was like, मैं दो पीपियां पी रही हूँ घी की, बैठे
और मुझे पता है मुझे पता भी नहीं लगता व्हेन आई एम ईटिंग इट. फॉर मी इट्स लाइक ये इतना सा तो है, मुझे क्या ही हो जाएगा.
यार एक तो इंडियन फैमिलीज, मेरे घर में इट वाज अ नॉर्म कि संडेज को ब्रेकफास्ट इज गोइंग टू बी दूध जलेबी. लाइक यू पुट जलेबी लाइक सीरियल इन मिल्क एंड लाइक हेवीली like not toned milk, like full cream milk, and you just eat it.
Me as a
And that
Punjabi.
was a Sunday breakfast. तो मुझे ये बॉम्बे आके पता चला कि ये बहुत नॉर्मल चीज नहीं है.
मी एज अ पंजाबी सैटरडे मॉर्निंग होता है आलू का पराठा, दिन में होगा राजमा, रात में मम्मी बना देंगी काले माँ की दाल, अगले दिन ब्रेकफास्ट में है प्रकाश भंडार की कचौड़ी, उसके साथ भाई कचौड़ी जिसमें आलू वो तला हुआ, एंड मैं दिन में ये खा रही हूँ और उसके बाद टुंडे के कबाब लंच में, और डिनर में शादाब की बिरयानी.
Oh, love.
I love this day, by
Yeah.
the way. I'm
Yeah.
not complaining. I'm just
Yeah.
saying that it is unhealthy,
Yeah.
but it's so tasty.
हाँ, और मेरे घर में कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि आज बहुत खा लिया, मम्मी कहती है कुछ लाइट बना देते हैं, छोले भटूरे बना देते हैं. क्योंकि भटूरा बेक करेंगे ना.
हाँ,
छोले-
हाँ, तुम रोटी के साथ खा लेना. छोला बन रहा है पापा, तुम्हें पता तो है, पापा के भटूरे बन जाएंगे, तुम रोटी के साथ खा लेना. मैं छोले रोटी के साथ क्यों खाऊंगी मम्मी? आप 3 दिन बाद बना दो ना.
Yeah.
मुझे बचपन से मोटापे का रियलाइजेशन पहले आई थिंक जब गीत पैदा हुआ उसके 1-2 साल से हो गया था, बिकॉज माई ब्रदर वाज फैट ग्रोइंग अप. And there are 2 types of fat people. One like me, whose entire being is around it, and one like my brother. After a point, he stopped giving a fuck. He was so stoic about it. He was like, खाना इतना बढ़िया टेस्ट करता है, मैं क्यों सोचूं क्या लोग मेरे बारे में सोच रहे हैं.
Yeah.
इन्होंने मेरी जबान से खाई नहीं है ये कचौड़ी सौम्या. मेरे टेस्ट बर्ड्स एनहांस्ड है, वरना तुम्हें क्या लगता है हमें मोटा होना पसंद है, which is so true.
That makes so much sense. That's such a wise thing to say.
एंड ही नेवर बॉदर्ड हिमसेल्फ. अपने आप बड़े होते होते अपने आप पतला हो गया, नॉर्मल हो गया. मतलब बिना स्ट्रेस के भी किया जा सकता है ये काम. इज माय
Correct.
पॉइंट.
That's true. Yeah.
एंड हमारी सोसाइटी में अगर आप मोटे हो, एक तो अल्टीमेट सिन है ये आपका. ठीक है, जैसे आप
हाँ.
अपनी चिंता ही नहीं करते हो,
हाँ.
आपको कुछ पड़ी ही नहीं है, आप तो बस सुबह उठते हो विदाउट एनी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस कि आप कौन हो.
Correct.
सब आपको एकदम आपकी पॉइंट करेंगे कि आपके पास साथ ये हुआ है.
And it is another person's duty to tell you and point out कि तुम मोटी हो गई हो.
सौम्या सानी, यूपी पुलिस से रिपोर्टिंग. मैडम आपका वेट बढ़ गया है थोड़ा सा. क्यों? मेरी बिल्डिंग वाली ने मुझसे नीचे उतरते बोला 100 किलो की आप खुद हैं, आप मुझसे बोल रही हैं यू पुट ऑन अ लिटिल बिट वेट ना. एंड आई वाज लाइक, आजकल भी ये सब बोला जा रहा है, मेरे जैसी उम्र की औरतों से भी ये बोला जा रहा है.
Bhai, this girl, okay, she used to stay in my building, and I think she was dating this guy, like, who was my brother's friend. So she used to be there most of, and I got introduced to her also because she was with my brother's friend constantly, who lived in the building. तो मैं ना जान ना पहचान, मतलब 2 बार मैंने उसको स्माइल करके हाय बोल दिया होगा, नहीं तो मैं किसी के मुंह भी नहीं लगती. तो I came downstairs once and I ran into her after a few months. She gets out of the rickshaw. Hi, you've gotten really fat. मैंने कहा तूने खुद की शक्ल देखी है भैंगी गई की? जाके आके ठीक करा पहले.
और ये सब तब नहीं याद आता बिकॉज यू आर सो स्टन्ड टू स्पीक. मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला.
I froze.
Same.
I wanted to say so much. I wanted to kick her teeth in.
Yeah.
But I couldn't.
But at that point I just froze and I was like, I don't know what to say to a person जिसके अंदर basic human decency है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
उसको तुम मैंने सोचा था मैं बाद में उसको बोलती कि you know I've learnt it from you, following your footsteps, पर कुछ नहीं बोल पाई. मैंने कहा हथनी तू चुप कर. तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोल पाई. Before you call me a छोटा हाथी, just अपनी सूंड में झाँक के देख. Such a bitch. And the worst thing is I like her child. She's so cute. She is.
Is the child fat?
No.
No.
That skinny girl. I know your future, बेटा. मैं भी ऐसी तेरी माँ की तरह बातें करूं.
Yeah.
I hope she
काफी
sees
गर्मा
this.
गर्मी हो गई.
I hope she sees this.
I really hope she does.
तुम्हारी वाली भी I hope she does.
Yeah.
की. अब और पता है इतनी कुतिया औरत देख रही है मैं अच्छे से सजी धजी जा रही हूँ, तो मैं बाहर जा रही होंगी ना.
Yeah.
मत बोल. मैं ऊपर आते दिख रही थी, नीचे जाते दिख रही थी.
Yeah.
और अब मैं पूरे रास्ते ऑटो में यही सोच रही हूँ कि आज ही का दिन मिला था डेयरिंग ड्रेस पहनने का. मैं उस दिन जिस दिन मैं मरियम के घर जा रही थी. And then she was like, oh no, but you look so pretty. And I was like, they're
Yeah.
not, they can coexist.
Yeah.
I mean, I am pretty and I am healthy.
But can we talk about the fact that we're dating such green flags
Yes.
and how they
It's
I feel
and
really
the fact they are not fat at all.
yeah, they're really fit. They're like hers goes like plays
Basketball and
sports
all.
6 days a week. Mine will be gymming for 3 days 3 hours a day, and
And
they're just okay with it. They have
they are they're worried that we are not okay with it. कि
हाँ.
you really need help, baby.
हाँ.
Why are you doing this to yourself? You look hot.
Yeah, correct.
Hot is the baseline.
हाँ, उनको नहीं फर्क पड़ता. At the end of the day, you take off your clothes and their thoughts will melt into nothing, regardless of how many inches you put on. My boyfriend got super depressed when I started losing weight because he's like, you're shrinking in my arms, like I'm not being able to.
But it does help having a supportive partner when you go through these kind of things in your head. When you don't like yourself, it really helps that somebody else does, and you know that they're honest about it. They're
Yeah.
not your parents कि वो तो मेरा बच्चा ही है.
Exactly.
It's not the parent वाला love. It's a different kind of love of कि doesn't matter.
बट यू नो अति तब हो जाती है जब पापा पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, क्योंकि पापाओं को दिखता नहीं है, एंड पापाओं को अच्छी खासी हंसती खेलती हेल्दी लड़कियां पसंद होती हैं इंडियन पापाओं को. तो भाई आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई गॉट एन ऑफर फॉर सोशल करेंसी, आई वाज at least 15 kgs overweight, and they gave me a timeline of 3 months from this day that we'll start shooting. So I was anyway a little like, oh my god, like I'll have to do something, you know. तो मैं पापा के पास गई. I was like, Papa, I've been offered this show. तो पापा had only 2 things to say. No unparliamentary language.
Unparliamentary. Okay, lads.
And the second thing is that I think you should try and work on yourself a little bit. That meant मोटी थोड़ा weight कम कर ले. That was, but मैंने मतलब I punished myself for 3 months. खाना पीना बंद.
You looked
full
so thin
workout.
in that show.
Yeah,
in
I
that
looked
show.
really skinny.
Yeah, you did. I was like, बागुला से मैं थोड़े महीने पहले
Yeah.
मिली थी.
Yeah, और मुझे अब रियलाइज हुआ है कि मैं उतनी स्किनी भी अच्छी नहीं लगती.
हाँ.
मुझे जो ये करंट स्टेट है, मुझे वैसी ही मैं अच्छी लगती हूँ. थोड़ा तो कुछ हो यार.
ऊँफ उभर के आए हैं.
Yeah.
No, makes sense. मैं भी इससे पहले अभी पिछले से पिछले साल I lost some 15 kgs. I was randomly 55 kgs, and then मेरे पेरेंट्स को तब ये टेंशन हो गई कि बहुत सूखी लग रही हो, बहुत खराब लग रही हो. And same people, बहुत बेटा पतली हो गई हो, अच्छी नहीं लग रही हो, मुंह पे चक गया है, अब
Yeah.
वो नूर नहीं रहा, अब वो ग्लो नहीं आता है. What? Bitches, एक तो आपकी मेरी बॉडी आपका प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है
हाँ.
कि थोड़ा ये कर लो, थोड़ा वो कर लो. एंड मैं उस समय इट डिड नॉट इम्पैक्ट मी सो मच बिकॉज़ लाइक आई लुक हॉट. लेकिन मोटे पे जब कोई बोलता है तब वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता.
That's true.
Why do you think that is though? Like what is your theory कि this is why we as young girls are here right now? Because I know my mom and your mom, they might be obsessed with it, but they were not as tormented as girls in this generation are.
Correct. I think historically skinny was always Eurocentric beauty standards.
हाँ.
क्योंकि Indian women are curvy. शकुंतला, अगर आप संस्कृत का जो टेक्स्ट है शकुंतला का, अगर आप उसको ब्रिटिश वर्जन पढ़ोगे, इट इज वेरी सैनिटाइज्ड. बट अगर आप ओरिजिनल संस्कृत वर्जन पढ़ोगे, उसके अंदर द राइटर हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड व्हेन शकुंतला सिट्स ऑन अ रॉक एंड द स्वेट ऑन her hips imprints on that rock, and it shows the curve that she has. Like that is such beautiful imagery.
Amazing.
But when it was translated into English, it just showed that Shakuntala sat on a rock and she got up. Because sexuality was taboo.
Correct.
Curvy women were taboo.
Yeah.
So धीरे धीरे ये जो Eurocentric beauty standards आ गए हमारी society के अंदर, that has made, because there is this tribe in Africa which promotes and believes in that the fatter the woman is, the more it shows that she's from a wealthy household that can afford to feed her.
Yeah.
So the women are extremely fat, because the fatter they are, it shows how wealthy and well nourished they are. So it is only societal standard that describe how women look in a society.
Actually, because मुझे याद है कि southern India की actresses, if you saw like maybe in 90s also, they were so full.
Yeah.
Like India, like Bollywood वगैरह में तो फिर भी थोड़ा like they all were like not skinny but thin. But all these actresses for राम्या हो गई और ये सब जो इतने बड़े बड़े actresses, they're all like full sized women, normal sized women.
Yeah.
पहले celebrities used to be thin. Like in 90s and 2000s, normal people were not like skinny or anything. Now with advent of social media, everybody can tell you how to look. Like you are comparing, I think being fat is less about like at our thing. it's less about what you think and it's more like comparison standard.
Hmm.
कि मैं इससे ज़्यादा what, otherwise how would you know how skinny do you have to be?
Hmm.
You're not consulting with your like BMI index वगैरह, because then you would be fine, I am fine. But हमारा स्टैंडर्ड कोई और है
Hmm.
कि हमें इतना पतला होना है. So I think वो comparison जब रोज दिखता है तो और torment करता है.
Also, have you noticed that by default, any actress who looks a little different in terms of she is a little curvy or voluptuous or sensual in the fact that she has curves is automatically either deemed like too sexy, so she only gets certain type of roles.
विद्या बालन,
हाँ, correct.
परिणीति चोपड़ा,
Vidya Balan, Pariniti, Sonakshi, like all these women were very like they were beautiful unconventionally. So they just
हाँ,
got
Bhumi
they got
Pednekar,
chipped
bro.
out. हाँ, correct.
I loved her in that movie.
Yeah.
I loved her in the movie after that because I was like, there is somebody who looks real, man.
Somebody who looks real and also has a, I think she lost her personality with her weight. Like it
Yeah.
was just, it's quite sad what happened
Pariniti
to Bhumi.
Chopra also, she came in Ishaqzadeh, she was put into that cute chubby girl category.
Yeah.
She also lost all that weight. She stopped being she stopped, her career was like okay after that. No, her USP was.
But I don't blame them somewhere also because
Of
in
course
order to
not.
make it mainstream उनको करना पड़ रहा है और unfortunately करके they are looking just like everybody else.
एक तो इतनी कमर होती है भाई, मैं
Yeah.
जब देखती हूँ किसी को पास से, I
Yeah.
have seen people जिनकी इतनी कमर
You
है.
know, there's this
Skill है
actress,
ये.
a very popular actress who's got her ribs removed.
हाँ, ribs removal यार.
उससे तुम्हारी कमर और छोटी हो जाती है.
I think बहुत लोग करवाते हैं ये.
Yeah.
Ribs तो निकल.
Rib removal, stomach stapling. They get their stomach stapled so that they lose their appetite.
I read somewhere somebody wanted liposuction done and they were only 65 kgs. What do you mean liposuction at 65 kgs? The doctor didn't recommend it because it's not allowed to do it under a certain weight and height. But what the fuck?
Yeah.
You cannot just eat for 10 days for that liposuction ताकि इतनी ये जो fat है ये हल्का सा भी ना दिखे, मतलब इतना.
Yeah.
I would love it, but
Yeah.
okay, what are the most unhinged ways that you've tried to lose weight? Please don't hold back.
मोस्ट अनहिंज्ड वेज, एक तो मैंने ये किया है कि रात को सिर्फ सूप और कुछ नहीं, ओनली सूप, एंड इट रियली हेल्प्स. लाइक रात को इफ यू कट डाउन कार्ब्स कंप्लीटली इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट. और फिर दूसरा मैंने ये ट्राई किया था कि मैं सर्दियों में आई वाज ट्राइंग टू लूज वेट फॉर सोशल करेंसी. उस टाइम ठंड थी
ठंड में तो क्या मजे आते हैं
तो
घी में.
मैं 4 हीटर लगाती थी रूम के अंदर. And then I would turn up the temperature so that as I worked out, I would sweat a lot.
You cray baby. I said don't hold back and you said girl.
हाँ, मैं मतलब और ऐसे 2 थर्मल पहन के तो ज़्यादा स्वेटिंग होगी तो ज़्यादा वेट लॉस होगा. It did work. And now I do this where after every meal, if I can't walk, then I do like calf raises. So I'm just sitting, like if you're talking to me, I'm just sitting and doing this. I'm losing
You're
weight
one of those.
as I talk.
You're one of those.
Yeah, I'm one of those bitches. I will do Vajrasana now also for 10 minutes. So I think Vajrasana, calf raises, walking after your meals, and
Walking after your meals is also healthy.
Yeah.
It's not cray. It's just so healthy.
it is very healthy.
Yeah.
And मेरी एक फ्रेंड थी वो उसको मेरे को लगता है उसको तो था कुछ तो डिसऑर्डर था where if she would eat a very heavy meal she would throw up.
That is just वही ना, that you would rather puke the food out than accept that it's okay to be fat.
This used to happen in Europe where the really wealthy people, when they were invited to a stately ball and they had so much variety of food
हाँ.
that they couldn't possibly eat, they'll eat what they want. Then they had a small vial of a little poison that made you throw up. So they would eat, then they would throw up, and then they would eat again.
Ew.
And by throwing up 4 to 5 times, they would make sure that they ate every single thing on that table.
Low-key genius.
Yeah.
Low-key genius. Anorexic bitches, you're doing it wrong. भाई मैं ये इस लेवल तक का तो आई नो, आई ऑनेस्टली मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि इंडिया में लाइक पीपल एक्चुअली गो थ्रू समथिंग लाइक दिस, बिकॉज मेरे लिए ये यूएस कॉन्सेप्ट है. नॉट ईटिंग इज एन इंडियन कॉन्सेप्ट, फास्टिंग इज एन इंडियन कॉन्सेप्ट.
हाँ.
But if I tell you, you said it worked, no? And it worked for me whenever I did it. In the morning, because we were discussing this, I searched कि अच्छा मतलब what are the real reasons and stuff. In a meta-analysis of 29 long-term weight loss studies, more than more than half of the lost weight was regained within 2 years, and by 5 years more than 80% of the lost weight was regained if you do diets like this. If you're not eating this for the next 5 years, the weight you lose by not eating something, you're going to gain back 80% of it by the 5th year. And that is why we keep getting fat and thin and fat and thin within. मैंने 5 साल के अंदर वेट एक्चुअली रिड्यूस करके फिर बढ़ाया, फिर रिड्यूस करके फिर बढ़ाया है.
मेरे घोड़े खोल दिए भाई तुमने. एक बार एक बार मेरे पास सौम्या का फोन आता है 9:30 बजे रात के. ठीक है, मैं फुल ऐसे नाइट टाइम रूटीन करके बैठी हूँ. सौम्या का फोन आता है, सुनो क्या कर रही हो. मुझे जब भी सौम्या मुझे बोलती है सुनो क्या कर रही हो, मुझे पता है इसके दिमाग में कुछ खुरापाती आइडिया है. तो मैंने कहा कुछ नहीं यार बैठी हूँ, चलो खाने चलते हैं चाट. 9:30 बजे कौन सी कहाँ चाट मिलेगी. चलते यार, मुझे ऐसा ना थोड़ी चटपटाहट हो रही थी मुझे. मैंने कहा,
अरे खुली होती है भाई पार्ला में, शर्मा चाट भंडार है, वहां पर
आज
मिलती
चलते
है.
हैं, आज चाट
इसके
खाते
बाद
हैं.
चलते हैं,
हम्म.
फकत चाट खाने जाएंगे.
पानी पूरी.
अब देखो यार, इफ दीज आर माय फैंटेसीज,
हाँ मतलब आई लिव टू ईट यार. आई
और
लिव टू ईट.
मैं कई लोगों को जानती हूँ that will eat food because it's food. It's not that emotional to them. It's not that important to them.
I have seen my boyfriend eating chicken and rice for every single meal since 4 years. 4 years.
I can't imagine that discipline.
It's crazy to me. And I think that's a man who's not gonna cheat. इससे कितना कमिटमेंट है चिकन राइस के लिए. मेरे लिए तो ये ढूंढ ही लेगा कमिटमेंट.
Crazy. हाँ यार, वो कुछ नहीं खाता इनमें से. हम लोग
Yeah.
बाहर जाते तब भी नहीं उसने कुछ खाया था पिछली
Yeah,
बार.
a
Crazy.
man with self control.
Unreal. मैं बिल्कुल ये इंसान नहीं बन सकती. और यही होता है कि मैं ये इंसान नहीं हूँ. And I'm stuck in a world where you have to be thin. कैसे होगा यार?
कैसे होगा.
कैसे होगा?
या और ये हाईरॉक्स वायरॉक्स जो मैं देख लेती हूँ ना, मुझे और डिप्रेशन में आ जाती हूँ.
क्या हाइरॉक्स?
Hyrox is apparently like a Iron Man kind of thing in a small setting where in a gym setting you have to do multiple, it's like a multiple course competition where ऐसे कुछ किया फिर next वो में जैसे Iron Man में नहीं होता पहले
हाँ, हाँ,
स्विमिंग
हाँ.
की फिर भागे फिर साइकिलिंग की, इसमें भी होता है फिर जिम इक्विपमेंट.
ओ अच्छा अच्छा, हाँ समझ गई. कल्ट टाइप के.
हाँ तो a lot of people are doing this Hyrox. अब मैराथन से Hyrox हो गया यार. ये
यार, मैं नहीं कर
ऐसे
सकती ये
चोंचले
सब.
मत किया करो यार. आई डोंट लाइक मैराथन. भागते हुए मुझे लोग दिखते हैं ना, मन करता है पीछे से
एक तो
भाटा
embarrassing
मारो.
लग रहे हो आप.
हाँ.
ये what do you mean your body is like fluid?
What do you mean you're doing this on a Sunday?
हाँ. I don't. अगर आप अपने शौक से देखिए ये सब कर रहे हैं तो मैं समझती हूँ.
हाँ, but display मत कीजिए हमें.
हाँ मतलब मुझे नहीं
ठीक है,
जानना.
हाँ.
मेरे सामने मत करो.
Good for you. I think those people think they are too good for us. You know what I mean? They have
I'm
that
not friends
air.
with anybody who
Oh,
does
I'm
it.
running a
Obviously.
marathon. Anyone who's running a marathon, मैं नहीं.
I know somebody who ran a marathon and still cheated on their wives. So really, with somebody he ran marathon with. So really.
Yeah.
So are you a better person? Or am I lazy enough to sit at home and never cheat?
Correct. That makes a lot of sense.
मैंने आजकल पिलाटीज ज्वाइन किया है और मैंने पहली बार
सौम्या पिलाटीज गर्ली बन गई है.
अरे यार भाई please
क्यों नहीं हो पा रही है सेक्सीनेस हमसे?
what our partners are green flag about all of these things. What about people who are red flags to each other regarding their weight?
Oh my god.
एक है मेरी सबसे बड़ी by the way.
हाँ बताओ.
मेरी सबसे बड़ी एक यही है that your partner comments on your weight, on your body, on your appearance.
Yeah, I think that is something I would walk out on.
Same, I have
हाँ.
walked out on that.
Yeah.
Oh fuck. हम कह रहे हैं हमारे पास और कोई स्टोरी है. मेरा माइंड इतना सप्रेस करता है मेमोरीज ट्रॉमा के ना आए मुझे. So one of my ex-boyfriends, he told me very subtly when I was getting fat during pandemic that I think you should start exercising a little bit. मैं तो तुम्हारे भले के लिए बोल रहा हूँ. मैं तुमसे ये थोड़ी कह रहा हूँ कि वेट लॉस होना चाहिए लेकिन तुम बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं करती हो. And I'm like, have you met me? Imagine saying that about me when people would pay me to sit.
I always think like this, that right now I'm in a fit state of being where mentally I'm fit, physically I'm like I can be fit, but kal ko if I have a child and for 10 12 months 1
Yeah.
year 2 years my body is in a state of shock and trauma and I have put on weight and I'm not being able to be a sexually desirable object to you, are you going to be cheating on me because of that, or are you going to be shaming me for that?
Yeah.
You know, when I've literally produced your child, are you going to be shaming me for looking a certain way?
Yeah.
Because if you're already doing this when I'm at my best,
Yeah.
what are you going to do to me when I'm at my lowest?
And you're not even bothered to know or think like a normal empathetic human being कि हम पैंडमिक में हैं, हम किसी स्ट्रेसफुल सिचुएशन में हैं, ये क्यों हो रहा है, इसके साथ ये क्यों हो रहा है, उसको जानने की कोई डेप्थ ही नहीं है. ये है कि तुम अच्छी नहीं लगोगी, मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ, लोग कहेंगे.
Yeah.
It's such a cowardly behavior first
Yeah.
of all. And मैं किसी को जानती हूँ, किसी ने, I don't remember who it was, but this husband wife I met some party में, and the guy was telling me कि मैं तो कब से कह रहा हूँ जिम चली जा, अब हो गया, अब थोड़ा वेट लूज कर ले, मैं को सुनती नहीं है, आप समझाओ. And I was like, मैं क्या समझाऊंगी इसको, तू येड़ा इसका पागल.
And the fact that I cannot ever imagine my boyfriend saying this.
Ever.
I don't think I can. In my wildest dreams also. I don't think he would dare also.
Whenever it was about any of this, it was about I swear to God, Soumya, you'll feel so much better after this thing. Adrenaline rush, बहुत मस्त adrenaline होता है, endorphins released होते हैं, full science basis से समझाना कि I play sports, I feel amazing after that. You do it for at least 2 months, I'm promising you will. And he was right about it. He was like, just find your activity, but do something physical at least thrice a week.
Correct.
And he was so right about it because now I look forward to it.
Correct.
And it's not about losing weight because you don't lose weight in Pilates, it's about your core strength and it's about training and all.
Yeah.
So now I feel like thoda mera bhi focus shift hua hai because I have a person who does not view me that negatively, क्योंकि मेरे तो मम्मी पापा भी यही बोलते थे मोटे होने पे कि बहुत मोटी हो गई हो, कुछ करो इस
Dude,
बारे
I
में.
love my brother-in-law because recently, because my sister had to go through like a foot surgery and all, she put on a lot of weight because of the antibiotics. So at one Holi party, one of my, like, she's wearing like a low-cut top, and as we said the last time, voluptuous women automatically like are shamed more because they are voluptuous.
Yeah.
If a skinny
It's
woman's
vulgar
cleavage
almost.
is showing, तो किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So my sister was sitting and her top was a little low cut. So my mom's friend was like, oh, Suku को बोलना उसका top थोड़ा ऊपर करे. My brother-in-law heard it and my brother-in-law screamed, I like those curves. और आंटी ने हमारी होली पार्टी में आने बंद कर दिया उसके बाद में. But you know, men like these. You need men like these because
Little bit, yes.
Yeah.
मतलब मेरे अंदर तो खुद का कुछ ऐसा, मतलब in one women very strong community otherwise.
Yeah.
The topic is weight and all of us are like miserable bitches.
Yeah, my this friend was getting married and I can't name this person, but her father-in-law told her, शादी से पहले told her mom कि ये देखो इसका रंग कैसा हो गया है और ये कितनी मोटी होती जा रही है, इसकी मालिश पालिश करवाओ, ऐसे नहीं शादी करने दूंगा मैं. Yeah.
तू घोड़े के नीचे आ जा फिर सुन ले कुत्ते.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Imagine your ससुर saying this.
वैसे मुझे पता है.
ससुर की सुरसुरी उड़ा दूंगी मैं.
ज्यादा जबान चल रही है आपकी. आपके बेटे की नहीं चलती इतनी तो मेरे आगे. Bro, I know this person जिसके ससुर जी, होने वाले ससुर जी रोज उससे पूछते हैं कि आज तुम जिम गई थी, आज तुम जिम गई थी, आज तुम जिम गई थी. I'm like, क्यों कर रही है लड़के अपने साथ ये? You don't need more of this in your life. You are enough bad influence about this.
That's crazy. And you know, like even doctors these days are so
Fat-phobic as
biased.
fuck.
Yeah. First of, if I look little bit slightly overweight, na, a doctor is going to be like, तुम्हारे period कब आए थे? तुम्हारा weight क्या है? तुम्हें PCOS तो नहीं है? मैंने कहा,
PCOS होगा,
सर मैं
thyroid.
सर्दी खांसी के लिए आई हूँ, आप मुझसे ये सवाल क्यों पूछ रहे हैं?
I hate that all my back pain questions are directed towards my weight when I could really have low bone density.
And you know, because of this fucking shit, this weight fat phobia shit that I have in my head, I joined a gym, a really expensive gym, to lose weight.
Name them and
And
shame them, Vagmata.
So, Anti-Gravity, one of the best, most celebrity popular gyms in Bombay. I went there. I paid a shit ton of fucking money to go to that gym. Okay. And I saved up money because it's really expensive. So, my first day at the gym, you know, they have this machine where they do your BMI and your weight and everything. I'm standing at the BMI machine and like obviously because it's taking a little more time to calculate it, the trainer's like, अरे ये machine तो रुक ही नहीं रही है. I have left the gym in tears. On my second day, same trainer tries to make me do those arm lifts. Okay, that only people who are pros at gymming usually do. They put a band, resistance band, and with that help, they ask you to do these whatever pull ups or some shit like that. This is the second day at the gym. Okay, I have no idea how this is done. My hand slips and I almost fall on my head. But because my boyfriend was standing right behind me, he holds me. Otherwise, मुझे head injury हो जाती. Sometime later, he's making me lift more and more weights, even though as a woman, you're not supposed to lift so fast and so heavy. I'm not a bodybuilder. I don't want to intend to become a bodybuilder. This man is making me lift the same kind of weights that people like my boyfriend are lifting.
Damn.
And I'm telling him that my back is hurting. He's like, ये सब normal है. Back तो hurt होती ही है.
Bro, such bad trainers at such expensive places because
Yeah.
मैं अगर पिलाटीज में भी कोई फॉर्म लेती हूँ and they're like बैक पे तो नहीं आ रहा, बैक पे their entire concern is कि वो आपकी बैक पे ना आए.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. And then he would stand and lecture me about how I am not eating properly, how I should be eating right meals, and how because of this I'm not losing weight, and because of that I'm not losing weight. And he's like, आपको कार्डियो भी करना चाहिए, ये भी करना चाहिए. मैंने कहा तू क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ मत करना साले, तू बस मुंह चला.
तेरे को मैंने क्यों पैसे दिए हैं? एंड एक बार तो ही लिटरली टोल्ड मी कि अरे आप अपने दोस्तों के सामने शो ऑफ करोगे ना कि आप इतने इतने भारी भारी वेट उठा रहे हो. मैंने कहा मैं दोस्तों के सामने शो ऑफ करने के लिए जिम आ रही हूँ या मैं खुद का वेट कम करने के लिए जिम आ रही हूँ?
15 साल क्यों?
15 days into this, I had a back injury and I had active sciatica pain in my left leg, which would radiate to my leg. I couldn't sit down for long periods of time. I couldn't lie down for long periods of time. I couldn't walk for more than 20 minutes in a day. I couldn't sit on soft surfaces. I couldn't do road trips. I couldn't do long flights. I've spent about 8.5 to 9 lakhs fixing this injury, going to different chiropractors, going to physiotherapists, going to massage therapists, going to like doctors, orthopedic surgeons, getting 1,000 scans done. And it's that, and 2 years later, finally, I have started feeling a little better and healing from that. Imagine what a bad gym
And what a horrible experience as
this
a
can, yeah, what it can do to you. Like a bad trainer can really ruin your life. And
I'm
people
so sorry you had
people
to go
don't
through
think like that. People think कि fancy gym है, फीस अच्छी है, ट्रेनर भी अच्छा ही होगा. क्या ट्रेनर है, उसको का कुछ नहीं पता है.
वो लड़का यहाँ पर खाली एक्टर बनने आया है. ये तो उसके आराम नगर के कमरे का रेंट है बस.
Correct. Yeah.
That's crazy. I'm so sorry that you had to go through this, man.
I mean, that's how you learn, I guess. I think I learned.
मैंने अपने पता है पिलाटीज उसमें there was a girl trainer and there's a boys men trainer and he's both of them like the guy is nice and he's very chill, but you know there is a major difference between a women trainer and male trainers. Women trainers are so nice. If you build a resistance, you fail, they're okay with it. If you don't want to do this, they're okay with it. आप बैठ जाओ, थोड़ी देर में कर लेना, मैं अलग तरीके से आपको करा दूंगी. मेल ट्रेनर्स हल्का सा अगर छूट गया, गिर गया, तोड़ दो, पूरा जिम तोड़ दो.
एक तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि आदमी सिर्फ आदमियों को ट्रेन कर सकते हैं क्योंकि मेन की ट्रेनिंग इज वेरी शेम बेस्ड ट्रेनिंग.
हाँ, मैं तेरी साली हूँ.
हाँ,
इस तरीके से
कि
फ्रेंडली
5
हो रहा
और
है
करो, नहीं ऐसे नहीं, 5 और करो, और फॉर्म बढ़ाओ, नहीं ऐसे नहीं और करो.
हाँ, अरे आप तो इतनी जल्दी गिव अप कर देती हैं. ये बात मेरे घर वाले मुझसे बोल सकते हैं, तू कैसे बोल रहा है?
But this is how men like to train. Men like to be riled up and women like to be told it's okay. It's totally fine. Let's try something else.
You know, उस लड़की का स्लॉट्स की ना भीड़ लगती है, पता है?
हाँ.
All the women want to be in her slot.
But my yoga teacher, she's a woman and she is such a fab. She does such a fab job. Like she's like, how are you feeling today? That's her first question to me. And that question, the answer dictates how my yoga session is going to go. Because some days where I'm like, dude, I'm super pumped today. Let's do it. So she'll make it intense.
Yeah.
If I say कि यार आज PMS हो रहा है, तो she'll make the workout more breathing focused.
Yeah.
More stretching focused. And I'm like, this is what women need. ये कोई पढ़ क्यों नहीं रहा है? ये कोई लोगों को समझा क्यों नहीं रहा है?
Growing up with so much trauma with my own body and like just disassociation, यार. मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसी लगती थी. Like in my head, I look like this and then I look at a photo.
But you know, it's so crazy that we think right now that we're unfit and this and that, and we look at old photos, and उस old photos में inadvertently कि भाई बहुत sexy लग रहे हो तुम, और तुम you're at your ideal body, और मुझे लगता है 10 साल बाद हम in the current bodies that we're in, we're going to be looking at that and be like, हम यार why did we not know how hot we were?
हम ना 10 साल बाद अगर ये एपिसोड देखेंगे तो you're right where you are.
Yeah.
Don't do this to yourself.
Exactly. तो कभी appreciation आया ही नहीं for what you look like currently.
Currently, I've never appreciated it. Even when I
हाँ.
was 55 kgs, I was like, 50 तो हो ही सकती हूँ
50
मैं.
तो हो ही सकती हूँ, थोड़ा सा ये यहाँ से दिख रहा है बिकिनी में, कंप्लीट फ्लैट नहीं है,
Complete
थोड़ा
flat दिखना चाहिए.
हाँ
हाँ.
आर्म
हाँ.
ऐसे कर रही हूँ तो आर्म थोड़ा मोटा दिख रहा है. इट्स ऑलवेज बिन अ केस विद मी. आई हैव नेवर बीन 100% okay with how I have looked at any
Ever.
point in time.
Ever.
Ever. That's crazy.
That's so deep, इतनी deep rooted insecurity है that I don't know where to address it, how to take it out.
Yeah.
And even if I do take it out, मेरी building में कोई तो होगी जो मुझसे कहेगी, you've put on a little bit weight, हाँ.
और आजकल सर्जरीज भी इतनी इंसिडियस और इतनी ज़्यादा नॉन ऑब्वियस लगने लग गई हैं कि नेचुरल लुकिंग एक्ट्रेसेस या नेचुरल लुकिंग फेमस सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स आर फुल्ली सर्जरीड फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम
Yeah.
एंड यू कांट टेल.
Yeah.
पहले ऐसा होता था किसी की नाक या होठ या थोड़े ऐसे इसने सर्जरी कराई है.
अनुष्का शर्मा 2012 duck lips, babe.
या तो भाई बट आजकल पता ही नहीं चलता. आजकल आपको लगता होगा कि नहीं ओ नेचुरल लुकिंग. नो.
या मुझसे कल मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड किसी की फोटो दिखा के पूछ रहा था, मिली बॉबी ब्राउन इसने बोटॉक्स कराया. मैंने कहा बोटॉक्स ये नहीं होता, बट हाँ
हाँ.
लिप फिलर है वहाँ. लाइक
Yeah.
you know it, but as a normal person who's never like read about it, you wouldn't know it.
Exactly, and that's the people you're comparing yourself to.
And it is so normal that it's like normal. इसने बोटॉक्स कराया है क्या? Like I can't imagine anybody saying this statement 10 years ago. And botox existed back
Yeah.
then. It's just like the normalization of it.
हाँ.
मुझे लगता है I can't tell Janvi Kapoor and like a few other people, Bhumi Pednekar apart anymore. They're the same. They have the same surgeon. I can't prove it, but I tung tung.
Yeah, that's true.
And in conclusion, what do you think? What do you want to say to people? Like, because you have been through this journey and I think you're a fairly smarter person and more self-aware person. What would you tell people who are like younger than us or even older than us? हम तो वैसे भी advice दे देते हैं.
Advice is advice.
Advice at
मोटे
any
टपक
age.
चुके हैं, आप समेट
आप तो
लीजिए.
समेट लीजिए नीचे से.
हाँ. तो I think that's the same advice I would currently be giving myself, that learn to enjoy your current present state, whatever it is. I think हम इतना ज़्यादा भागते रहते हैं लाइफ में कि मैं 10 साल बाद ऐसी दिखूंगी, 5 साल बाद ऐसी दिखूंगी, अब मैं 5 साल पहले ऐसी दिखती थी, that you never get time to be really happy in the present, whether it's regarding my career, it's regarding how I look, it's regarding where my relationship is, everything. I'm only thinking either about the future or the past. I'm never
Yeah.
in the present.
Never.
So I think in order to truly enjoy my body, I really need to be more in tune with what it is currently and however it is.
Yeah.
Even if there's a little bit here and there, it's okay. It's like
आज मैंने by the way risky dress सिर्फ इसलिए पहनी थी. Like there are bread rolls that you can see on my stomach.
Yeah.
But I wore it कि आज तो मैं अपने वर्ड पर टिक जाती हूँ और इससे आगे बढ़ सकती हूँ. It's
Yeah.
fine if people think कि ओ यार मोटी लग रही है.
yeah, and you know, I know this sounds really corny, but sometimes I'm scrolling the internet and you know, a lot of influencers who are disabled or a lot of people who are disabled have become content creators, and their resilience towards like being
Yeah.
the best version of themselves. I think that what the fuck am I cribbing about?
And
I have
also,
a
like-
fully functional system. I have a fully functional, like you know, some people have stomas here, like they have a external stomach because they've had to remove certain body parts because of surgery, because of cancer. And I'm like, dude, why can I not just appreciate the beauty of the human body, all that it's
Yeah.
doing for me to help me survive, just so that I can get up and walk and talk and eat and do normal things? It's doing so much for me, and all I'm doing is on it.
You know, as a society, I think हम जब आप वेट लॉस की जर्नी पर होते हो, जब आप किसी को देखते हो और आपको लगता है वेट लॉस इज नॉट दैट डिफिकल्ट, व्हाई इज दिस पर्सन नॉट एबल टू डू इट, you try, you fail. Anybody who I know who has been fat, is fat, tries every day, you know, every meal they are trying something कि इससे ये कम हो जाए, इससे वो कम हो जाए. And we as a society treat that failure harshly than UPSC का एग्जाम फेलियर्स 4-5 बार करने वाले लोग.
Correct.
मतलब अगर आप कोई एग्जाम फेल करते हो तो लोग आपके साथ एम्पैथी है कि कोई बात नहीं, हो जाएगा यार. Nobody ever points it out to you. But weight loss is only thing where you try and fail and it's looked down upon ऐसे कि मतलब दुनिया की सबसे आसान चीज है और आप ये नहीं कर पा
And
रहे
all your achievements are sidelined.
because of this.
Everything you have achieved in life is sidelined immediately just because you've gained a few pounds. Like you as a person hold no value outside of your weight.
And if you're like a good looking person, and you're fat, the first thing anybody mentions is you're fat, but you're also good looking. Imagine your face is your card and you still can't beat that thing, that allegation कि आप you do care about weight the most, I guess. And
Yeah.
you're right about the whole thing कि मतलब बीच में यार body positivity movement भी आया था. Now look at it, it's in shits.
Yeah.
People in India, abroad, who were in like champions of it कि we've accepted our body as
उन्होंने
it
weight
is.
loss कर लिया पता.
Which is okay, I guess, but like never addressing it again.
Yeah.
Never addressing
Yeah.
it again. Nobody does it. Who's that woman? Amy Schumer, Megan Trainor का गाना है वो
हाँ.
वाला that I'm a bitch, I'm a fat.
All about the base.
All about the base. Doesn't mention it anymore. Like it's like the ultimate taboo, and nobody hates fat people than former fat people. Like I have never seen anybody hate themselves.
Yeah.
Their version of it. कभी
Yeah.
भी. मैं भी अपने आप से बहुत नफरत करती हूँ.
Yeah. So, and also I think कि the bastardization of the body positivity movement by these so-called fitness freaks, where they're like, कि, oh, you are okay with being fat because you're lazy.
हाँ.
Nobody is okay with being fat. We're just accepting and embracing certain things that we're unable to do because every body is different.
And everybody has different area of focus.
Huh.
Are we going to talk about how I'm making almost 10 times more than you?
Yeah.
We are not okay with discussing that I am
Correct.
doing this better than you.
But you're okay discussing
you're
how I look. Yeah, double standards.
Yeah. You're okay with it.
Hmm.
मैं ये कभी point out नहीं कर पाऊंगी, लेकिन तुम्हारी USP is entirely एक body के function को सही से करना.
Exactly. Yeah. Anyway, I want you guys to tell us your stories about your relationship with weight gain, weight loss, stories like tea stories
Yeah.
of other people and how they have dealt with weight. Interesting stories. Please tell us in the comments below.
And we discussed being fat because we have been fat and are or whatever fat people. And if we find somebody who has something to contribute to being extremely skinny and being shamed for that experience, we will put out an episode like that.
Yes. And what I want you also to do is please subscribe.
Yes, please.
Subscribe, like this video, throw us a comment of what you thought about this episode and what is the next episode that you'll want to see. You can also watch us on Spotify. We
You
upload
can hear us too.
हाँ, you can hear us on Spotify. हम सारे episodes वहाँ भी upload करते हैं.
Office जाते समय there is nothing like office से आते समय there is nothing like my voice in your ears.
And we're going to see you exactly 10 days later because we post every 10 days without fail.
The consistency is beautiful actually.
It has me shook.
It's shattering to me कि मैं ये कर पा रही हूँ.
Yeah. And
Like, comment and
share.
share.
Anyway, thank you for watching Soumya and I on
Shut up!
We're Talking Please.
Bye.
Bye bye.